to put that thing? Where to put that thing? Just press my button, give my bell a ring. My man's out there in the rain and cold. He's got the right key, but just can't find the hole. He said, where's that thing? That ding-a-ling. Just he pressed my button, give my bell a ring. So come on, baby, let's have some fun. Just put your hot dog in my bun and then that thing, that ding-a-ling. I've been pressing my button, the bell will ring. Now tell me, Daddy, what it's all about. Trying to beat your spark plug, it's all out. I can use that thing, that ding-a-ling. I've been pressing your button, your bell will ring. Fade away, Rex. Hear me, baby, all out of breath. Been working all night and nothing yet. What's wrong with that thing? That ding-a-ling. I've been pressing your button, your bell won't ring. Hear me, baby, on my bended knee. I want some kind daddy just to hear my plea and bring me that thing, that ding-a-ling. Let me press my button, give my bell a ring. Just press my button, give my bell a ring. Good. Yeah, very rough draft again, Sam. Give my bell a ring, as you can see the bell there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll send those to you, and yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, we'll play that back.